Hi kids! I'm Teacher Iryn, your flexible learning teacher, shine or rain. I am your virtual teacher for this episode. Enjoy the benefit and flexibility of learning from the comfort of your home. Right now, you are watching Module 1 of Quarter 1 lesson in Science, Grade 4. In this module, the most essential learning competency is classify materials based on the ability to absorb water. Are you ready, kids? Without any hesitation, let's get started. In your previous lesson, you were taught about matter and its phases, right? Solid are materials where molecules are intact and has a definite shape and volume that you can touch and hold, while liquid has no definite volume and shape. Gas has molecules that are very far from each other. It has no definite shape and volume. What things come to your mind when you hear the word absorb? You may come up to think of a sponge, cotton, or a baby's diaper. Take a deep breath, kids, because today I will be your guide to an incredible journey towards classifying materials based on the ability to absorb water. At this point of time, I will perform an activity which I call "Do I absorb water or not?" The materials that I am going to use for this activity are the following: tissue paper, cotton, rubber ball, face mask, gabi-gabi leaf, plastic flower pot, and a basin with water. First, I will put the materials all together in the basin with water. I will set 10 seconds timer and observe what happens to each material. What have you observed with the materials when all of them are placed on the water? Definitely, kids, some materials absorb water, while some materials do not absorb water. Which materials absorb water? Exactly! Tissue paper, cotton, and face mask are the materials which absorb water. Why do you think these materials absorb water? These materials absorb water because they have small holes. Which materials do not absorb water? Precisely! Rubber ball, gabi-gabi leaf, and plastic flower pot are the materials that do not absorb water. Why do you think these materials do not absorb water? These materials do not absorb water because they don't have small holes. What does absorb means? Absorb means to take in something such as liquid in a natural or gradual way. In the same way, the materials that could absorb water are also called porous materials because they have small holes that allow liquid or air to pass through. On the other hand, we also have non-porous materials, which is the opposite of porous. The non-porous materials do not allow liquid to pass through. At this juncture, we will put the teddy bear, plastic mineral, towel, pencil, pebble, sponge, and water lily inside the basin. We will put the teddy bear, plastic mineral, towel, pencil, pebble, sponge, and water lily inside the basin. As I pick the material, tell absorb if it absorbs water and does not absorb if it does not absorb water. Are you ready? Let's do this! Now, I will pick the materials one by one. The first material is a teddy bear. Does teddy bear absorbs or does not absorb water? What's your answer? Impressive, kids! It's absorbed. How about the plastic mineral? Excellent! The answer is does not absorb. How about the towel? Correct! It's absorbed. The pencil. Good job, kids! The answer is does not absorb. How about the pebble? Marvelous! The pebble does not absorb. How about the sponge? That's accurate. Sponge absorbs water. And the last one, the water lily. Terrific! Water lily does not absorb water. At this moment, we will play 3 minutes to win it. Draw a flower in the second column if the material absorbs water, and leaf if it does not absorb water. You are given 3 minutes to do this activity. Time is up! Let's check your answers. For number 1, the blanket absorbs water, so the figure is a flower. That's impressive. For number 2, the plastic chair does not absorb water, so the figure is a leaf. Fantastic, kids! For number 3, an umbrella does not absorb water, so it's a leaf. Sensational answer. For number 4, the sponge absorbs water, so it's a flower. For number 5, a cloth absorbs water. Therefore, the answer is flower. That's fantabulous, kids! Always remember that some materials absorb water, while some materials do not absorb water. Porous are materials that have small holes which allow the liquid or air to pass through, while non-porous are materials that do not have holes that allow liquid or air to pass through. Let's have again another interesting activity entitled, Where Do I Belong? Classify the materials according to the ability to absorb and not to absorb water by drawing it with its name to the column where it belongs. How did you find our lesson? Did you enjoy it? I hope that you love and enjoy the wonderful world and mystery of science. Again, this is Teacher Iryn, your flexible learning teacher, shine or rain, your virtual teacher amidst COVID-19. Sulong edukalidad. Till next video lesson. Bye!